Imagine a future where light becomes our healer. This is not science fiction, but the very real promise of biophotonics and optogenetics. These cutting-edge fields use light to diagnose, treat, and even control living cells. They offer a glimpse into a future where diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's could be eradicated. These technologies sound like something out of Star Trek, but they are rooted in solid science. Light, with its remarkable ability to interact with matter, holds the key to unlocking the mysteries of life itself. Its photons, tiny packets of energy, can penetrate tissues, stimulate cells, and reveal the hidden workings of our biology. For centuries, we have used light to understand the world around us. Telescopes use light to peer into the vastness of space, while microscopes use it to unveil the intricate details of the microscopic world. Now, we are entering an age where light is not just a tool for observation, but also for manipulation and healing. Light is fundamental to life. It provides energy for plants through photosynthesis, and it governs our sleep-wake cycles. But light can also be harnessed for far more sophisticated purposes. By understanding how light interacts with biological tissues, we can develop powerful tools for diagnosis and treatment. Enter the world of biophotonics, a field where light and biology converge. It's like shining a flashlight into the human body and using the reflected light to understand what's happening inside. But instead of a flashlight, we use sophisticated tools like lasers and microscopes. Biophotonics is about harnessing the power of light to study and manipulate living cells and tissues. It's about deciphering the language of light emitted and absorbed by our bodies, revealing a wealth of information about our health and well-being. Light can tell us a lot about the state of our cells. For instance, cancerous cells reflect light differently than healthy cells. By analysing these subtle differences, we can detect diseases at their earliest stages. This ability to peer into the microcosm of life opens up incredible possibilities for medical diagnostics, treatments, and even drug discovery. It's like having a new set of eyes, capable of seeing the invisible. Lasers are not just for science fiction movies. They are essential tools in biophotonics. These beams of highly focused light can be used to probe the depths of our cells and tissues with remarkable precision. Each type of cell interacts with light in its own unique way, absorbing and emitting specific wavelengths. Lasers allow us to target individual cells or molecules within cells, triggering specific responses or simply observing their behavior. Imagine using a laser to activate a drug only at the site of a tumor, sparing healthy tissues from harmful side effects. Or imagine using a laser to repair damaged nerves, restoring lost function and improving lives. This level of control over biological processes was once unimaginable. Yet, with lasers, we are beginning to orchestrate the very building blocks of life. Microscopes have always been indispensable tools for biologists, allowing us to see the minuscule structures that make up all living things. But biophotonics takes microscopy to a whole new level. We're not just looking at static images anymore. Advanced microscopes, combined with fluorescent dyes and specialized lasers, allow us to track the movement of molecules within living cells in real time. We can observe the intricate dance of life as it unfolds. Fluorescence microscopy, for example, uses special dyes that glow when illuminated with specific wavelengths of light. By attaching these dyes to molecules of interest, we can track their movement and interactions within living cells. These techniques provide unprecedented insights into the dynamic processes occurring within our bodies, from the communication between neurons to the replication of DNA. The applications of biophotonics in medicine are vast and rapidly expanding. From early disease detection to targeted therapies, light is revolutionizing the way we approach healthcare. One of the most promising areas is in cancer diagnosis. Biophotonics-based techniques can detect cancerous cells at a much earlier stage than traditional methods, significantly improving the chances of successful treatment. Imagine a simple blood test that could detect the earliest signs of cancer, allowing for timely intervention and potentially saving countless lives. This is the promise of biophotonics. But biophotonics is not just about diagnosis. Light-based therapies are also emerging as powerful tools for treating a wide range of diseases, from skin conditions to certain types of cancer. The future of medicine is illuminated by the power of light. Imagine painting parts of a living cell with light, making them glow with specific colors. This is fluorescence imaging, a cornerstone of biophotonics. By tagging molecules with fluorescent markers, we can track their every move. These markers emit light when excited by a specific wavelength. Using different colors, we track multiple molecules simultaneously. It's like a choreographed dance of life. Fluorescence imaging has revolutionized our understanding of cells. The human brain, with its billions of interconnected neurons, is perhaps the most complex structure in the known universe. Understanding how this intricate network functions is one of the greatest challenges in science. Biophotonics, with its ability to peer deep into living tissues, is providing unprecedented insights. Using techniques like two-photon microscopy, we can now observe the activity of individual neurons in living animals. This allows us to study how neurons communicate with each other, how memories are formed, and how the brain processes information. Imagine being able to watch in real time as a thought travels through the brain, activating different neural pathways. This is the level of detail that biophotonics is starting to reveal. These insights are not just of academic interest. They have profound implications for understanding and treating neurological disorders. By observing how the brain malfunctions in diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, we can develop new strategies for diagnosis and treatment. Light is not just about observation. It can also be used to manipulate matter. Optical tweezers, a groundbreaking invention in biophotonics, use highly focused laser beams to trap and move microscopic objects. Imagine a microscopic tractor beam, capable of picking up and moving individual cells or even molecules. That's essentially what optical tweezers are. They work by exploiting the momentum of light, which can exert a tiny but measurable force on objects. This ability to manipulate the microscopic world with light has opened up a plethora of applications in biology and medicine. Scientists are using optical tweezers to study the mechanical properties of cells, to sort and organize cells for research, and even to deliver drugs directly into cells. The precision and control offered by optical tweezers are unparalleled. It's like having microscopic fingers, capable of performing delicate surgical procedures at the cellular level. This technology has the potential to revolutionize fields like regenerative medicine and nanotechnology. The field of biophotonics is constantly evolving, with new techniques and applications emerging at a rapid pace. It's a symphony of light and innovation, where scientists from diverse disciplines come together to push the boundaries of what's possible. From developing new imaging modalities to creating light-activated therapies, biophotonics is transforming the landscape of medicine. It's enabling us to diagnose diseases earlier, treat them more effectively, and even understand the fundamental processes of life itself. The future of biophotonics is bright, literally and figuratively. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of light and its interaction with living systems, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries and life-changing technologies. The journey of exploration has just begun, and the possibilities are as limitless as the speed of light itself. Imagine controlling the brain with light, like turning a switch on and off. What sounds like science fiction is now a reality with optogenetics. This revolutionary field combines genetics and optics to control neurons with precision. The brain is a complex network of billions of neurons. Optogenetics allows us to use light to activate or inhibit specific neurons. It's like having a remote control for the brain. But how does it work? Researchers insert genes that make neurons sensitive to light. These genes come from algae and other organisms. Once expressed, we control neurons by shining light on them. This opens up extraordinary possibilities for understanding and treating disorders. It's like having a new language for communicating with the brain. Opsins are the molecular keys that unlock the potential of optogenetics. These remarkable proteins act like light-activated switches, turning neurons on or off depending on the color of light shone on them. Different types of opsins respond to different colors of light. Some, like channel rhodopsin, are activated by blue light, causing neurons to fire. Others, like halorhodopsin, are activated by yellow light, inhibiting neuron activity. This versatility allows researchers to fine-tune their control over neural circuits. Imagine using blue light to activate a group of neurons involved in memory formation, while simultaneously using yellow light to inhibit another group involved in fear response. This level of control was previously unimaginable, allowing us to dissect the complex interplay of neural circuits underlying behavior and cognition. The discovery and development of opsins is a testament to the power of interdisciplinary research. By borrowing tools from nature and adapting them for use in the brain, we are gaining unprecedented control over this most mysterious of organs. The brain is like a vast, unexplored territory with billions of neurons interconnected in intricate pathways. Optogenetics provides a powerful flashlight, allowing us to map these circuits and understand how they give rise to thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. By selectively activating or inhibiting specific neurons or groups of neurons, researchers can trace the flow of information through the brain. They can identify which circuits are involved in specific functions, such as learning, memory, movement, and sensory perception. Imagine tracing the neural pathway of a memory from its initial encoding to its later retrieval. Or imagine identifying the specific neurons that fire when we experience fear or pleasure. Optogenetics is making these once fantastical experiments a reality. This ability to map neural circuits is not just about satisfying scientific curiosity, It has profound implications for understanding and treating brain disorders. By pinpointing the circuits that malfunction in diseases like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and epilepsy, we can develop more targeted and effective therapies. From bench to bedside, optogenetics in medical research. Optogenetics is a young field with vast potential in medicine. It could treat Parkinson's disease and restore vision loss. Researchers use optogenetics to control neurons in Parkinson's. Light stimulation may alleviate tremors and rigidity. Scientists aim to restore vision by making retinal cells light-sensitive. Optogenetics offers hope for patients with brain disorders. Shedding light on brain disorders, optogenetics in action. Imagine shining a light into the brain to silence the tremors of Parkinson's disease. This isn't science fiction, but the potential of optogenetics. Scientists are using this technology to treat neurological and psychiatric disorders. Parkinson's disease is a prime target for optogenetic therapies. The disease arises from the death of dopamine-producing neurons. Optogenetics offers a way to restore balance by stimulating specific neurons. Optogenetics beyond the brain. A world of possibilities. While optogenetics is most commonly associated with brain research, its applications extend far beyond neuroscience. Scientists are exploring its potential in cardiology and immunology. In cardiology, researchers aim to control heart rhythm using light. Light-sensitive heart cells could lead to new arrhythmia treatments. Optogenetics makes these futuristic scenarios seem within reach. It shows promise in pain management, hearing restoration, and cancer treatment. The ethical frontier. Navigating the power of optogenetics. Optogenetics raises profound ethical questions. Controlling brain activity with light raises concerns about misuse and unintended consequences. Cognitive enhancement raises questions about fairness and equity. Imagine enhancing memory or creativity with light-based brain stimulation. Ethical dilemmas about access and societal divides arise. What does it mean to control thoughts and behaviors with light? We must proceed with caution, ensuring responsible and ethical use of optogenetics. Section 1. The dawn of light-based medicine. We stand at the dawn of a new era in medicine, where light is a powerful force for healing. Biophotonics and optogenetics illuminate our bodies, offering control over our biology. Imagine diagnosing diseases early, targeting therapies precisely, and repairing organs with light. This is the promise of these revolutionary technologies. Section 2. A future illuminated by discovery. The future of biophotonics and optogenetics is as bright as the light they employ. As our understanding of light and biology deepens, we can expect even more groundbreaking discoveries and life-changing applications. Imagine a world where cancer is detected and treated at the cellular level, where Alzheimer's disease is halted in its tracks, and where spinal cord injuries are no longer a life sentence. These are just a few of the potential applications of these technologies. Applications that were once considered science fiction, but are now within the realm of possibility. The key to unlocking this future lies in continued research and collaboration. Scientists from diverse fields, from physics and engineering to biology and medicine, must continue to work together, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and translating laboratory discoveries into real-world solutions. Section 3. The Unending Frontier of Light and Life. The exploration of light and its relationship with life is an unending frontier, a journey of discovery that promises to illuminate not just the mysteries of our own biology, but also the very nature of life itself. As we delve deeper into the quantum world, where light and matter dance in intricate ways, we may uncover even more profound connections between these fundamental forces. Perhaps light plays a role in consciousness, in the very essence of what it means to be alive. The pursuit of these questions is not just an academic exercise, but a testament to the boundless curiosity of the human spirit, our innate desire to understand the universe and our place within it. And as we continue to explore the infinite possibilities of light and life, we may find that the greatest discoveries are yet to come, illuminating a future filled with wonder and hope.